Are you looking to earn passive income online, but you haven't quite found that perfect opportunity to offer, and you're really wanting to make sure that you're earning passive income, not active income? Or do you already have your own digital products or coaching or consulting products that you offer, but you are going crazy with integrations? Well, either way, if this is you, you're in the perfect place. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and today I'm going to walk through the top 9 reasons why Kartra is the perfect platform for you to either start an online business if you don't currently have any offerings, or for you to take your current online business to the next level and simplify your life at the same time. Be sure to stick around for all 9 tips, and be sure to click the link in the description if you want to grab Kartra yourself and give it a whirl. There's actually a discount through the link below, so you're going to want to check that one out. But let's jump right into it. Reason number 1, Kartra is an all-in-one platform. So what that means is that it truly handles everything that other platforms can't handle on their own or require integration for. So let's jump into exactly what I mean by that by going straight to reason number 2 that I love Kartra. Kartra hosts its own email marketing system, meaning it can capture leads coming in, it can categorize them, it can send emails to them, and it can handle both sequences and broadcast. For anyone who's used other platforms who's had to hook up integrations in order to run their email, this is going to be such a breath of fresh air for you. I was relatively new to business when I started using Kartra, and all the other platforms I had tried seemed really confusing to me when I had to learn integration, but Kartra was so easy. If you're new or if you're just wanting to simplify your business, Kartra is amazing in that it has its own email marketing program within Kartra. No integration required. Reason number 3 that I love Kartra. Kartra also hosts its own video. So you don't necessarily need to use YouTube or Vimeo or some other platform because Kartra hosts video. Now, the other thing I love about this is that not only does it host the video, it's smart about telling you how people are interacting with that video. You can tell whether someone watched it or not. You can tell if they watched 50% of it, 25% of it, watched it more than once, whatever you want. And obviously that can be super valuable if you're wanting to, say, send certain offers to people depending on whether they only watched 25% of it or if they watched 100% of it. It's really, really nice for that reason. And it works great on sales pages and upsell pages for that reason. Reason number 4, Kartra hosts documents, PDF guides, anything like that. If you are promising, say, a PDF guide as a lead magnet to attract leads and prospects for your business, then Kartra also hosts the documents and can automatically email them to them once they've opted into one of your pages. Reason number 5, Kartra has its own calendar system so that people can book meetings with you. And you can either allow them to book those meetings for free, or you can charge for them to book with you. So for anyone who's running a coaching, group coaching, one-on-one consulting, any kind of thing like that, or you simply want to drive prospects to book with you to sell, let's say, a high-ticket offer, they already have this feature worked in, which is yet another reason why it's an all-in-one platform. And the best part is that it integrates with your Google Calendar so that you won't get overbooked. Reason number 6, Kartra is also a full-blown sales funnel building platform. So everything from your opt-in pages or squeeze pages, depending on the language you use, to your sales pages, your thank you pages, your checkout pages, everything is integrated into one, and they have full campaigns that you can download and simply fill in the blanks rather than having to create from scratch. So it makes it super, super easy if you're looking to learn how to use sales funnels to grow your business, or if you already use sales funnels, but they're time consuming and they take a lot more work than you would like. Kartra can really cut down the amount of time that you spend on that. Reason number 7, Kartra also makes it an option for you to offer your own digital products to affiliates so that you can build an affiliate army who's selling your products. Now, what I love about this is I can't tell you how many people I see using Kajabi as their platform, but then also linking in with ClickFunnels so they can offer their, digital products to affiliates. Why would you play in 2 platforms if you can just use one? So I love Kartra for that reason. If you are wanting to build an army of people who want to sell your products for you, Kartra makes it super easy to do that. And you can set up all the details around how much you want to pay them in commissions, and you can have different tiers of commissions. There's lots of really neat options within Kartra if you want to build an affiliate army. Reason number 8, Kartra has a full marketplace of all of the affiliate programs offered by anyone using the platform. You can shop that marketplace to look for offers that would be a perfect fit for your target market. So you can not only build up a nice library of offerings of your own, but you can shop for affiliate offers that you want to add on to your own so that you have more than one stream of income going. The other thing I love about this is that they allow you to choose when you set up your own affiliate programs. You can choose whether or not you want to list them on the marketplace or keep them private, because sometimes you just want affiliates that you're approving person by person, and so they give you the option to do that too. Reason number 9, if you don't have any of your own products or services to sell, and you don't currently have any other affiliate offers or network marketing products or services to sell, you can simply sell Kartra as an affiliate, because there's tons of people out there using Kajabi and ClickFunnels and Lead Pages and all kinds of programs that require integrations and are a pain in the butt to use. And because Kartra is an all-in-one platform, they are going to love what they learn when they get inside and try it out and take it for a spin. So even if you have no other offerings of your own and no other affiliate offerings and you're just getting started, Kartra is the perfect place to get started for new people to business. As you can see, when they call themselves an all-in-one platform, they mean it. This platform is so simple, it's so easy to use, and it's going to make business so much easier for both the new person as well as the seasoned entrepreneur that I couldn't not share it with you guys. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, be sure to grab the link in the description and give it a whirl at a discounted price, of course. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and I help people to build 6-figure incomes from home so they can have true freedom in their lives. So if that's something you're interested in doing, be sure to subscribe so I can help you to do that. You can subscribe by either clicking on the logo that's floating around here somewhere, or clicking the link in the description below where it says subscribe to my channel. Or, of course, I'll always wait for the next video to pop up over here, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time around. Bye.